Hey, what's up everyone? Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for checking in. So I've got this 2024 Polaris RZR XP4 1000. If you have one of these and you want to put a cooler in the bed of your UTV and you want to make sure it stays secure, but also gives you access to it without having to undo any straps, then the Tusk Cooler Mounting Brackets that we have installed are exactly what you need. These are made from powder coated aluminum. The great part is that these mount right to the bed in the factory mounting location, so it's super easy to get these installed. And these that we have mounted up right now are built specifically for the Yeti 35 quart Tundra cooler, but we do also have other brackets for an Ozark Trail cooler as well, so you have a couple options. But like I said, one of the best features about this, it holds it very secure so you can still drive aggressive, do what you want, but it gives you full access to the cooler, no straps that you have to undo. So you got your cold drinks in there, open it up, grab one, continue having a good day. So again, for the Polaris RZR XP4 1000, these cooler mounting brackets are awesome. If you have questions, comments, so please leave those down below. We'll help get those answered. As you can see, we have got this XP4 1000 completely built out with a lot of other cool Tusk accessories. And if you want to see all those, just enter the year, make, and model of your side-by-side on our homepage. You will see everything that will fit your side-by-side. Comments, questions, again, down below. We ship for free over 75 bucks. If you want to stay up to date on cool products like that, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase. We'll see you out there on the trails.